Hello and welcome to myStock tutorials with Shane. Today we'll be covering how to switch from tall order POS inventory to myStock inventory. If you're a new client, this will be a fairly simple process to follow. If you're an existing client, there will be some additional steps that you need to follow before transitioning over to myStock. I will cover these extra steps in another video. So let's dive right in. What you want to do is you want to go to your tall order back office. You will sign into your tall order back office. You will go to your settings, tenant settings, and it will load automatically default onto POS settings. Then you want to go to your tenant details. Once your tenant details loads, you will see here on the top right, inventory type. This defaults to POS inventory type. What you want to do is once you have completed all the necessary steps and you're certain that your product lists and everything that relates to the back office is all in order, the final step that you want to do is you want to switch to myStock. When you click the toggle, the next thing you do is you go to your product, active menu. Once your active menu loads, you go to the top right where it says publish menu and you publish the menu. This will be the final step that you do once you transition over to myStock from POS inventory. And that is how you switch from tall order POS inventory to myStock inventory.